YouTubers, it's been just under a year, about 11 months since I've done a gardening day video. I love them. These don't have batteries, so we will do a jump cut between each one to get batteries. But this does have batteries. You just cut off. Never mind, it doesn't go. We have these batteries to do. Did we ever do them? No, we never did.
No, we never did.
We already did do these.
We did these over here.
Yeah,
We
we
didn't
found
do
that
those.
speed right there. That's the reason how my notes have been just under a year is by looking at that sign because I watched my videos this morning. This one's yes, we still have all those. This is quite. This is gonna be quite good. So this is a lot of work. So right now I am going to push it. Just gets just this side. Actually, I decided to do this video because I watched Gardening Day this morning. Okay, let's have this is what is this? I should have brought my right. Guess what? I still talk like that. It's a rate, not rake. I don't do that. Actually, we're going to be doing some lawn mowing. We are at far field. So I feel like I should do more talking. I feel like I should do more work than the talking. I named this park Hidden Park. In the previous video over there, I called it Garden Park, but actually I remembered Golden Park. And here's a cool trick. You can just do this. On to the next tree. I sort of have to go a bit loud because usually I notice that I can hardly hear myself. You know, I like these. And the previous video, a musical day, I think it's called a musical day at Children's Park. The previous video. Yeah, that was very fun playing. Like, that was very fun. It's starting to cut off. Now this is done, we'll do a jump cut as we put the batteries in. Of this, which was a year ago. Jump cut. Okay, YouTubers, now we're back. We made it to here, and we're ready to mow. We've made it from there to there. So now start mowing. By the way, we actually had a problem where it broke back there.
That's what I was thinking.
No, I think we could just put, By the way, today's actually a Friday, but school's out from staff development day today. So that's why I'm not here. Otherwise we would not have had
It's
this.
3 o'clock anyway. We could have done this on any Friday. Why is he kicking that?
No, he's trying to do it.
Hey Dad, look at that gardener. Why is he kicking his lawnmower?
We'll just do this half up to that center. So today, this is the line for today. The next video, and then the next video is in the center, and the next video will be over there, and the next video will be the bushes in the parking lot, and then we have one last piece. Until it's done, and the rest of this won't be as made. As you can see, I'm actually the next time the lawnmower stops, I'll tell you. I need to mention something. So YouTubers, I'm not sure, but I am really in suit. So I'm wearing my black and white shirt, the vest, the brown boots, the hat. So let's get back to the Actually, let's give everybody a break. Okay?
Okay, sounds
Stop,
good.
pause the video. This is where you can pause and take a break for yourself. if you
Okay.
want. Okay, so our break is done. Now it's time to actually change the bag. Catch. Now throw it way over there to our bag. Okay? Just ready? Catch. Throw it to the bag. Thank you. Now we're ready to continue. Just follow the random path. Not actually just a path, so we can do it on time. Now we get out of this circle. It's so much fun. Much fun. No. We're about to be done. Okay, we'll jump cut to it. Okay, YouTubers, now we're actually going to be done. But if you want to watch, we're actually going to now take out the batteries, and then we're going to say bye because this is going to be the end of the video, sadly. Because I don't want an hour video on YouTube. Probably not even going to have an hour video. Put stuff. Okay, I just learned something. Put stuff sideways on a bench. Or pause.
Not from the spring side.
Let's catch lawnmower. I put these back in because we hardly use any of them. And actually, sorry.
It closed the lawnmower.
That looks like an L. Okay. Here's that screwdriver. Ooh, the light's on. Have that light on. Okay. By the way, if you never actually noticed, I'll demo for you that I'll have to put this on the grass to do that. Look carefully in here. Oh. Sorry, but that actually won't work because we took out the batteries. I'm so silly. But there is actually something rotating. Do you see it in there? Zoom in there. There's a tiny thing in there. That rotates. That rotates when we do it. So, bye all YouTubers. See you in the next video that I have to make.